I'm Natalie Caldell, the founder and executive director of BioBuilder.
I'm Rebecca Ravgala, biology teacher at Tyngsboro High School.
Welcome to our BioBuilder Essentials training platform. This class is a hands-on hybrid learning experience that will teach you how to use biology as a material for creative engineering.
For more than 10 years, I've been a BioBuilder teacher. I got hooked when I took a summer workshop, a lot like the one you can sign up for now.
Since that first workshop, Rebecca and I have gotten together to train hundreds of teachers around the country and around the world.
And I'm very excited to be co-leading this online version so you can get started too.
We'll cover the same material we've been including in our 3-day summer workshops for teachers, answering questions like, what exactly is synthetic biology? And what the heck is a genetic inverter?
I'll tell you how I normally teach BioBuilder to my students, and we'll also head into the lab together to work through the prep, the data collection, and its analysis for each of the BioBuilder labs.
Starting with Oh That Smell, the lab in which normally stinky smelling bacteria are made to smell sweet.
Like bananas.
Sort of like bananas.
Sort of like bananas.
Yeah. You'll have access to all of the slides that we use in this class, the BioBuilder textbook, and the BioBuilder lab kits, so that when you finish the BioBuilder Essentials training, you will be ready to bring this 21st century biotechnology to your students.
We've broken up our traditional 3-day workshops into 2-week sprints.
With online lectures that you can watch at your own pace, and a feedback channel so that you can ask questions as they arise.
And some next steps so you can put what you've learned directly into practice. I know how hard it is for teachers to find great professional development, but I really hope you'll try the BioBuilder Essentials program.
Welcome to BioBuilders.